So their burger is perfectly cooked. I love the combination of cheese, the pickles, and yeah, the slowly cooked brisket. It's really nice. Look at that. What's up guys, Maidah here, the Drunken Chef, and welcome back to another video and another episode. But this is not going to be a cooking trips because we're gonna go out and eat to a restaurant which it was recently opened in Johnsonville, and it's quite near our place, so we're gonna go there and try their barbecue. It's called the Wilson's Barbecue, and I've heard a lot of good things about this restaurant. So this is our kitchen, look at that, and we're just prepping, dressing up with my sister. Are you ready?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, let's go.
Whoa.
Whoa. Ooh, yes. We're going out, guys. And I'm actually going there with my family, my sisters, my brother-in-law, and my sister's boyfriend. So I'm really excited to try their burgers, so let's go. Alright. Seatbelts first. Say hi, Chelly. So we're here.
Ay, kita ba sa kamera? Ayun, nakita.
So here we are, Wilson's Barbecue. It's pretty cool, nice and beautiful place. So let's go inside, guys.
Fried chicken.
Sorry?
For him as well.
On top of them? Very good, thank you.
I'll get the fried chicken burger.
Very good.
Sige, try. Oh, bakit? Try na kayo dyan. Nakago na yan. Oh. So this is the jalapeno, whatever. What is it called?
Mac and cheese.
Oh, jalapeno mac and cheese. Look at that, guys. It's surprisingly really good. Huh? So guys, look at this burger. It's the Brisket Cheese Burger. So let's try it. The beef is really tender. It's juicy, yeah. And the flavor is like well balanced, no?
I think we marinated for like a day. Or probably, yeah.
They actually cook it like longer time, like 12 hours.
Baka may...
Thank you. Okay lang siya.
It actually has a brisket as well, no? Wait. Yes.
It's gone.
It's gone. So it's really delicious. Oh. It's good because you're already finished.
Chicken. Bibidyo mo na? Kami din.
How was it? Good? So my sister ordered a cheeseburger, is it?
No, it's fried chicken.
Ah, fried chicken. It's fried chicken, sorry. Why are you laughing?
There's chicken there.
Yeah. Hi, Chelly. Do you love your fries? Really?
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises.
Siya mo pa.
Pag rice. Tapos pag may pumpkin, lagat.
'Cause I don't keep them.
Looks really tender.
Do you like the baby? Do you like the baby?
You should definitely try this Wilson's barbecue burger. They already finished my fries.
'Cause I don't keep them.
I really like it. It's like really smooth. The texture is amazing, amazing. You can really taste the smokiness at the end, you know?